Hello, thank you so much for having me. I'm very much delighted to be here. I'm Bhanu. For the past 14 years, I've been language trainer and speaking instructor. My words in this module will serve you in understanding the importance of phonetics in English language acquisition. We all know that English alphabet has 26 letters. You should also know that these 26 letters will produce 44 different sounds. If we look at a word, we would find it difficult to know by its spelling how to pronounce it, because the same letters will sound differently in different words. So, by understanding phonetics and phonetical transcription, you can pronounce every word in English language perfectly. Now, let us understand what is phonetics and what is it for. Phonetics is traditionally defined as the study and classification of speech sounds. How would we know whether we are pronouncing a word correctly or not? Should that be a judge or an arbiter to decide? Not at all. We have International Phonetic Association, which has formulated certain sounds and certain symbols by which on learning we can analyze our own pronunciation. So phonetics is also defined as the symbolic system of learning language. I repeat, phonetics is also defined as the symbolic system of learning language. Now, question number 2, what will phonetics do? I have a very good answer for it. Phonetics will give you accurate pronunciation. It makes you pro in speaking. Phonetics improves your fluency and accent. Remember these 4 key elements: improve in fluency and accent, pro in speaking, and accuracy in pronunciation. These are the 4 key elements of a language every English learner desires for to become a good communicator. Earlier, I have mentioned that English alphabet has 44 sounds. These 44 sounds are represented by 44 symbols. We call these symbols as phonetical transcription. The best way to define is the visual representation of speech sounds by means of symbols is called as phonetical transcription. The 44 sounds are divided as consonant sounds and vowel sounds. 24 sounds are consonant sounds and 20 sounds are vowel sounds. The 24 consonant sounds are further divided as plosives, glottal, nasal, affricates and fricatives. The vowel sounds, the 20 vowel sounds are divided as monophthongs and diphthongs. 12 are monophthongs and 8 are diphthongs. In order to understand the phonetics, you need to learn phonetical transcription. This will help you where you're going wrong while pronouncing a word. For example, if I ask you to pronounce a 2 letters word, G-O, you'll say go. Simply go, because this is what we were taught by our teachers. But if you probe into the phonetical transcription, you'll find surprisingly the O letter is represented by OW sound. Hence, the pronunciation will become go and not go. Similarly, in the words like L-A-T-E, G-A-T-E, L-A-T-E is not late, it is late. G-A-T-E is not gate, it is gate. So, if you consider one more example, a 3-letter word, S-I-R, we say sir. This is what in English is. We got accustomed to say sir, S-I-R, sir. But when we look into the phonetical transcription, you'll find that R letter or R sound is completely missing because its pronunciation stops at R sound. Hence, the pronunciation is sir and not sir. Similarly, the same case carries to the words like F-A-T-H-E-R, M-O-T-H-E-R, R-I-V-E-R. All these words have silent R's. Father, mother, river, brother. The R is kept silent. According to standard English, the R will be always kept silent in a word when there is a consonant sound or no sound directly after. R is pronounced in a word when there is a vowel sound directly after. Example: forest, marry, rack, powering. So I want to conclude this video by saying that learning phonetics is as important as learning alphabet. Thank you.